ございます。7時になりました。NHK 今朝のニュースやちけんごです。
島ひとみです。
東京電力福島第一原子力発電所1号機の廃炉に向けた作業をめぐり、国と東京電力は使用済み燃料プールからの核燃料の取り出しの開始を2年、溶け落ちた核燃料の取り出しは5年、それぞれ現在の計画より遅らせる方針を固めました。これまでの作業の遅れに加え、核燃料を取り出す設備の建設に時間がかかることなどが原因で、計画を遅らせる形で見直しが行われるのは初めてです。国と東京電力がまとめた現在の廃炉に向けた工程表では、福島第一原発1号機について、使用済み燃料プールから核燃料を取り出すのは早ければ平成29年度から、溶け落ちた核燃料の取り出しは平成32年度からとされています。しかし
Story time! Hey guys, good morning! How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great, so I hope you guys are too. I mean, I'm filming a YouTube video right now, so it means that I'm doing great. Because if I was not doing great, let's say if I was depressed or sad, I would have been laying in my bed right now. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm in a much better mood. So I hope you guys are too. Anyways, it's been a while since my last YouTube video. I know I'm not a good YouTuber that at least posts one video per week to their channel. I'm basically pulling up an Antonio Garza schedule for posting YouTube video. Just kidding. But yeah, I mean, there has been so much going on lately. There's so many things that I need to catch up, so I hope you understand that. And also, the reason why I say this is because that I read all of your comments, I read your DMs, your messages, that a lot of you guys asking me for making more YouTube videos, the fact that you guys said that you want to see more from my content, like that's literally made my day. You guys are so nice, and guess what, with that being said, I will try, I'm gonna post one video every Friday. But I'm not making a promise right now. I'm afraid that I can't keep it, but I can assure you that you can come back to me. You can come back to my channel with a new video every Friday. Sounds good? Oh wait, it's not just Friday, because I believe not all of you live in Indonesia. I have international subscribers as well. I believe some of you are from South America, North America, Europe, East Asia, Western Asia, Southern Asia. So it's either you get it on Thursday or Friday. It's depending on where you live. But I live in Indonesia, so I believe that I'm ahead of time than most of you. I don't have any subscribers from Australia or New Zealand. So yeah, it's depending on where you live. It's either Thursday or Friday. And there we have it, guys. It's an indomie with vegetable and tomatoes and fried shrimp with hot sauce.
Walk into your house, nobody's home, just me and you and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways.
Take a bite.
Whoever said I gave a shit about you?
It was a mistake for me wearing this sweatshirt because it's literally so hot right now. It's 28 degrees Celsius and I live in the attic. Don't even imagine how hot it is. By the way, I've been really into playing an instrument lately. A ukulele. Yeah, okay, so fun fact, I used to play an ukulele back when I was in high school, around 2 years ago, I think. And okay, so there's this one time I had to perform in front of an entire school. Honestly, it was so traumatizing, I don't even want to imagine because it was like really bad. Because I was like literally performing in front of a whole audience and I can't even sing. Well, I can, but is it good? No. And yeah, so it was for a school, okay, so in order to get a good grades for this particular subject, I had to perform. But actually, I remember really well that I asked his teacher that I don't want to perform, but he wouldn't let me. I was like, fuck it. I just went on stage and then I performed and it was really bad. I remember that I performed Like the Sky by Grace Vanderbilt with a ukulele and yeah, and then it was traumatizing. And long story short, I sold my old ukulele to my friends because I didn't really play ukulele anymore and I was really broke and I needed money. A couple weeks ago, I was really bored. I was just like sitting in my room. I had nothing to do but playing with my phone and I wanted to do something besides playing my phone in my room because I spend most of my time in my room. And yeah, I don't go outside. I don't go to school offline. And I was like, I decided to get a new ukulele again just because I miss singing my favorite song in ukulele. So I got a new one. So let me play a song, okay? So I mean, I'm not good at it. Also, I can't really sing, but it's not about being good at things. Sometimes if you love doing things, then do it. You don't need to be good at it as long as you're happy because that's the only thing that matters and I'm happy. So okay, so it's October 1st and there is nothing better. There is no better song to sing to welcome this beautiful month, the first day of fall, than this song. Are you ready? All right. Smoking cigarettes on the road. You look so pretty and I love this view. We fell in love in October. That's it, guys. That's all you get. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Somebody said, does a happy life mean that it lasts forever or just temporary when you have the things and people around you that make you happy? I do not think that having a happy life means that it lasts forever in the sense that you're never going to feel sadness again and you're never going to feel frustrated again and you're never going to feel hurt or sad again. Unfortunately, that's the human condition. We're always going to be living in this constant state of fluctuation, you know? But I think that when I think of a happy life, I think of a life that's more happy than it is unhappy. Make the percentage of time that you feel happy as large as you possibly can.
Alright guys, so it's 9:32 p.m. and I showered like an hour ago and I just finished cooking my dinner. And I know you're probably thinking, didn't he just eat like instant noodle this morning and he just cooked instant noodle again? I did. I know it is not good, but I'm craving, and eating instant noodle at night be hitting different, and I'm gonna go to Netflix and trying to find something fun to watch. Probably all movies, all series that I've watched before, because I don't have an urge or like interest to watch recent series. I don't know, let's just see what I'm gonna be watching, guys. Alright guys, so I just finished watching My Neighbor Totoro. I don't know how many times I watched this movie. It's my comfort movie. And I'm very sleepy right now, and I think... wait. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you guys like it. And see you on my next video, which is probably gonna be on the next Friday. And also, by the way, I read all of your comments, every single comment. You guys are so nice. Reading YouTube comment is literally my favorite thing ever. And I really appreciate every single comment, every single nice comment that you've sent me, all of the support you've given me. And see you on my next video. Bye bye everybody. October is my favorite month of the year. The transition from the hot season to this comfort chilly month feels so calmative. My blanket is now my best friend to snuggle at night, while the rain lashes against the window outside and the wind holds through the trees.